Are you wondering if your iPhone's battery has been replaced? Maybe you're unsure if the replacement is authentic or just curious about its current condition. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to check if your iPhone's battery has been swapped out. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check battery health in settings. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on battery. After that, tap on battery health and charging. If your battery has been replaced, you'll see an important battery message and a note saying it's unable to verify. This clearly tells you that the battery in your iPhone has been replaced. Solution 2. Check battery status from 3U tools on your PC. Open your browser and search for 3U tools. Make sure to install the app on your computer. Now connect your iPhone to your PC using a cable. After connecting, open the app and tap on Verification Report. Next, tap on Authorize to view. Take a look at the test results. If it shows normal, then your battery has never been replaced. However, if you see a red mark or abnormal status, that means the battery or another part might have been replaced. By following these steps, you'll be able to tell if your iPhone's battery is original or if it's been replaced. Let me know if these steps have helped you out or if you have any other questions. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching.